guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be something a little different. I wanted to talk to you guys about 5 products that I won't be purchasing this year. I think it's going to be a good year to be very conscious of spending, and I was sort of thinking about the things that I really don't need to purchase and that I am making myself accountable for because I'm throwing it out here for all the world on YouTube. So let's get into it with the 5 products that I won't be buying this year. All right, so the first thing is setting powder. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel at all, you know that 99% of the time I use Hourglass Veil setting powder. I am really picky about powder products and I don't use them all that often. I'm not one to do any baking, so I don't go through powders very quickly. So I have the Veil setting powder. I actually think I have a backup of that powder because I bought it on sale, and I still want to get through this big thing of RCMA no color powder. So those are my 2 favorite powders. One is obviously a little bit higher end, not a little bit higher end, it's a lot of bit higher end, and then the RCMA is so budget friendly that really I don't see a need to try another one, and I'd really like to get through some of the powder in my collection. So that is the first one I will not be buying in 2020. Our second product is mascara, and I just talked about this in the video that I just finished filming. By the way, this look will be coming for you guys soon using Flower Beauty, and I didn't purchase a Flower Beauty mascara because I have so many mascaras. Again, like, not only have I found a couple that I really like, but I have gotten so many, whether it's, ones that I've purchased that I wanted to try over the years, or gift ones that you get with purchases or whatever. So I have so many in my collection, and I know that some of them have dried out. I actually went to grab one the one day to try out that I was really excited to try, and it had already dried out because I feel like those little sample sizes maybe aren't always as airtight as they could be. So that's really disappointing, and I don't want to keep wasting products, even if it is ones that I got for free. So until I lessen down my mascara collection, I'm not going to be purchasing anything, and I can't see a reason why I would need to this year. The exception to all of these, by the way, is if there's something that I know is a favorite of mine and I run out of it. Like, for instance, the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. I probably purchase 3 tubes of that a year at least, and it's something that even when I'm using other mascaras, I often tend to use as a base coat. So if there's something like that that I run out of, I will purchase another one, but I will not be buying any more mascara for the year. I will say I snuck one in. I've only purchased 1 mascara this year, and that's the Hourglass Caution Mascara. I've been using that little sample size that I had gotten that I really enjoyed, and so Sephora sent me a 20% off of a mascara coupon. So last month I did go ahead and snag this guy. That will be my first and only one for this year, and no more mascaras for me. By the way, if you guys would like to see a makeup collection, or if you want to see a declutter video, let me know. They are obviously lengthy videos, and I don't know if you guys are interested in that. The declutter's not so much because I do them by category, but if it is something you're interested in, let me know. I'd be willing to do it for you. Okay, so the third one, I've got my little list here in case I forget something. So the third one is powder highlight. And the reason for that is obviously I have a ton of powder highlights. When was the last time that you actually hit pan on a powder highlight? Probably not that often. And for me, I've actually found that I'm really liking to go more towards using cream highlighters, just for a little bit more of a natural finish. You can still get some cream highlighters that are very bold and bright, but I just like the way that they lay on the skin better. So I have a feeling that I will mostly be using cream highlighters towards the future. Still some powders occasionally, but I just know that I don't need to purchase anymore. All right, so number 4 for me is going to be matte or liquid lipsticks. So I just know that matte formulas for me don't work out. I have lined lips. They have a lot of texture to them. There's just nothing really that I can do about that. I suppose if I went and got fillers to plump them in a little bit more, maybe that would help, but I don't see that in my foreseeable future. So I love the look of a matte lip on people. I feel like this lip that I have on right now is a little bit more on the matte side, and it's actually not even a lipstick. So if you want to see that, watch that Flower Beauty video. But this is about as matte as I would ever go. And I love the look on people, but I just find that by the end of the day, I can feel a little shrink wrapped, and I don't enjoy that. So I also find that a lot of liquid lipstick formulas are very thin and tend to just leave me again with that creepy look. So I do like the Ultra Satin Lips from ColourPop, but I have so many lip products that I just don't foresee a need for probably any lipsticks, but definitely not a matte or liquid lipstick. And number 5 is kind of an all-encompassing one, but it's brow products. Brow products in general. You guys, I have such a stash of brow products. I have several Anastasia pencils, and it takes a while to go through those. Mostly I've been using Gimme Brow and then my Stroker Brow pen. So I've just found the products that I really like. I have containers of Dip Brow left that I will go through in a more natural way, but that's going to take a little bit longer. So I just know that I have all of the products that I need. I just don't see the need for brow products in my future, and it's hard because brows is one of those things that we're always looking for that like best new product. And I think I just have found ones that make me really happy, and I just need to stick with it and use up what I have. So I guess that's kind of really the theme of this video is use up what you have. But I know that there are a few things that, as a makeup lover and a makeup collector, I love trying out new things. So there are certain things that I know that I'm, still kind of looking for a great formula on, or things that I just know I enjoy having more options with. But these 5 products were the ones that I think I can get away with using. I mean, now it's March, so really I'm really only talking about 9 months. So I do think I have 9 months worth of all of those products to get me through. So I hope this quick little video maybe inspired you to look through your collection or look at your needs and wants and see, is there anything that you could tell yourself, okay, I don't need to buy any of this year. Let me know and make me stick to my guns on this one. This is making me accountable by coming here and telling all of you guys these things. And if you see that I did purchase something, maybe there's a good reason for it. So call me out on it, but I'm hoping that I can stick to this. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, if it inspired you, or if you're just looking forward to holding me accountable. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you really soon.